Okay, picture this. The year is 1962. Willis Motors pulls off the wraps of their brand new 1963 Jeep Wagoneer model, a vehicle set up to compete and dominate the four-wheel drive family wagon market. This vehicle was truly ahead of its time, featuring a bold, beautiful design. I mean, will you just look at that thing? It also had independent front suspension, power steering, and an automatic transmission mated to a four-wheel drive system, an industry first. Throughout the years, the Jeep Wagoneer received subtle updates to keep it fresh and modern in the marketplace. However, overall, it didn't really change all that much. Its biggest change happened later in life when American Motors started shifting the vehicle up market to compete with other luxury wagons. In 1984, the Wagoneer was renamed Grand Wagoneer, while pushing the Wagoneer name off to a higher-spec Jeep Cherokee XJ model. Lucky for you, I made a video all about this, so if you're interested, click here or down below. Anyways, at the time, this was American Motors' best attempt to be able to compete with other luxury wagon offerings. This move took place just a few years before the new kid in town showed up in 1987. Could you guess who that new kid is in town that I'm talking about? If you're thinking Land Rover, you would be correct. The competition was heating up, and around the same time, sales of the Grand Wagoneer were cooling down. Not good. So this begs the question, did the company ever have a replacement or an upcoming major overhaul that was planned? Here's where it gets interesting. I was able to get my hands on 2 Jeep photographs of proposals. Both of these images have very few details. However, both are dating back to the late 1980s. It's unclear if these 2 proposals were intended to replace the aging Grand Wagoneer. Here's the first vehicle I'd like to show you. The first thing that caught my eye was its overall length. It's hard to exactly tell, but from the photo, this vehicle looks like it could be the same size as a Grand Wagoneer, if not pretty close. Next, the overall shape of where the side windows are to be placed looks pretty Grand Wagoneer-ish to me. What do you think about that? And that side profile with its 2 strong body lines and curved wheel well openings, perhaps this was a new, fresh, updated look. I wish there were more photos of this clay model. I'd love to see how the front and rear are looking. Now, unfortunately, very few details were ever leaked about this prototype, like I said, and that includes specifications like engine options, transmission, all that good stuff. It sure does make you pretty curious, though. What are your thoughts about this prototype?
You don't see it? You don't see the resemblance? Come on, like the slant. Wow, I can't believe you just got my hair.
Next up on the board is this prototype. Before any thoughts are shared, I have to say the wheels on this model are not helping this thing out. Try to use your imagination and picture some nicer shoes on this thing. Because if it had nicer wheels, I think it'd look pretty good. It looks rather adventurous to me with the way the windows are shaped and slanted forward. It also looks like it may have a ladder or something on the back. What do you think about this thing? Next, this is a little bonus I wanted to throw in at the end of the video. This model screams Cherokee all day long to me, with it being a 2-door, of course. It looks like a cross of a SJ Cherokee and the XJ Cherokee. The front side marker lights look very XJ Cherokee to me. The squared off wheel openings and overall look out back looks very SJ Cherokee. What do you think about this vehicle? Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in and sticking around to the end of this video. Let me know your thoughts down below about what you think about these 3 prototypes. Do you think these 3 prototypes might have been an upcoming replacement for the aging Grand Wagoneer or not? Let's hear your thoughts down below. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment more down below for me to make more Jeep history videos just like this. Thanks so much for tuning in to Wagon Works, and we'll see you next time.